Hello friends, let's see today according to quadratic equation we are going to solve this formula. So the formula is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and it helps to find out roots of the equation. So we are placing values according to given quadratic equation. We will find out a, b, c, and then we will place the values. So let's see, after placing the values of a, b, c, how can we solve this. So generally we place the values, but later we get confused how to solve this. So the best method is understand the concept and we can simply find out how to find answer of given equations. These are the values. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 plus under root 49 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 3 minus under root 49 upon 2. Minus 3 plus under root 49 means 7 upon 2 as it is. So minus 3 plus 7 is 4 upon 2 and x is equal to 2. Similarly, on other side, x is equal to minus 3 minus 7 upon 2 is equal to x is equal to minus 10 upon 2. So that is equal to minus 5. So we have solved in this way. Let's see one more equation where we have already placed the values and we are just trying to find out. See this example, already we have placed the values as this is constant sign. Equation has y, so we are taking it as is equal to y. Minus is constant. Place the value of b as minus 4 plus or minus as it is according to formula, and b square minus 4ac value is under root 44 and a value is 1 and 2 is constant. So let's see, minus minus plus, so 4, y is equal to plus or minus under root 44 upon 2. Y is equal to 4 plus under root 44 upon 2, or y is equal to 4 minus under root 44 upon 2. Two ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. If we do so, that is totally wrong. We do that big mistake in exam. So please avoid to do this mistake. We cannot do like this. So clean it and just writing as it is like the previous step. When those are operated, we cannot cancel. So 4 plus 44 means 11 into 4. We have to find out hidden square root in this. So 4 plus under root 4 means 2, under root 11, 2 as it is. Now we can see that there is 4, 2 and 2 means 2 is common. So y is equal to 2 taken as common, 2 outside, plus 2 ones are 2, so nothing means only root 11 upon 2 as it is. 2 2 cancelled, so y is equal to 2 plus root 11. Similarly, on right hand side, y is equal to 4 minus under root 11 into 4 upon 2. Y is equal to, so let's take out first 2 as common. Under root 4 means 2 and root 11 as it is upon 2. Now common, y is equal to 2 into 2 minus root 11 as it is upon 2 as it is. Now let's cancel, 2 ones are 2, y is equal to 2 minus root 11. So here we have roots of the equation like 2 plus root 11 and 2 minus root 11. Let's see one more example. Here in this example we are given with just values of a, b, c according to question. The question has, like equation has m value, so we have placed according to m is equal to, let's see, m is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, so plus under root 88 upon 6, or m is equal to minus 2 minus under root 88 upon 6. Now split 88 in such a way that it will be carrying hidden root. So we have splitted it in the form of we can find the hidden root is 4 into 22. 4 is hidden root in this, that is 4 is hidden square number. M is equal to minus 2 plus under root 4 into 22 upon 6. Same on right hand side, minus 2 minus 4 into 22 upon 6. Just a difference of sign between. Okay. Now 2 minus 2 as it is, root 4 means 2 and under root 2 upon 6, or minus 2 minus 2 outside under root 22 as it is. Now if you go stepwise, it will be helpful to you. So don't jump directly on any of the steps if you are confused. Go stepwise. 2 common. Now 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus sign as it is. 2 taken out common means only 22 is remaining. Upon 6 as it is. Similarly, m is equal to 2 common. Minus 1 is taken out as in the bracket. Minus 2 taken out, so only under root 22 is remaining. Only under root 22 upon 6. Now we can see 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. M is equal to minus 1 plus under root 22 upon 3, or m is equal to minus 1 minus under root 22 upon 3.